Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to contact YouTube creator support team, right? So it's really easy. First of all, you have to open your YouTube. On the top right, you will see your profile icon. Now click on there. Now go to YouTube Studio. Now once you're here on the YouTube Studio, on the left side, you will get this option of earn. So you have to go and click on earn, right? In the earn, you have to scroll to the bottom and here you will find an option which is called chat and email support. Now click on it. By the way, this is only available if you have your channel monetized, right? So if you don't have your channel monetized, you will not going to find this option. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here if you scroll to the bottom, you will get three options here: computer, Android, iPhone. You can select any one of them. Now you'll get these two options: email or chat. So I like the chat because I can get instant answer to my questions. I will click on chat here. Now here you have to select the language, right? So for example, or by the way, you can select your countries. I want to chat in English, right? So here I will click on chat on English, right? And here you have to enter your channel URL and how we can help you. So basically you have to copy the channel URL and paste it here, right? And you have to write out what help you need regarding, whether it's regarding monetization, whether it's regarding content, or creative use, or whatever it is. So you can just mention it and click on start chat. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.